When I read this article that SoftBank was selling their stake in Nvidia, I was surprised. I mean, Nvidia, the darling of the stock market, they are crushing it. The stock is up. It had hit a $5 trillion valuation. Why would you sell? And for those of you guys that don't know, SoftBank is one of the largest funds out there. They're the guys behind the Vision Fund, which is a very large fund that has funded many of the tech companies that you see out there. Now, today an article came out saying that the SoftBank CEO was crying when he was putting in the sell order to sell Nvidia. I mean, I get it, right? They probably went into Nvidia very early and had made a lot of money, and selling that, $5 billion stake was probably tough, right? Because a part of you would want to continue holding because Nvidia can go to the moon. But in reading this article, I actually found out why they sold. Now, the reason SoftBank sold is because they wanted to free up cash so that they could double down on other AI projects. So they want to double down on OpenAI. They want to double down on data centers and other early stage investments, because the key to the game is getting in early so that you can sell high. So if you take a look at what SoftBank did with Nvidia, they got in super early into Nvidia, and then they actually then sold at the highest price, right? They bought low and sold high, because when Nvidia hit that $5 trillion valuation, that's when SoftBank decided to get out. And that's a key lesson to investing, is you want to buy low and sell high. So right now, as you're seeing things like, let's say, Bitcoin dropping, right? Bitcoin was at $120,000 a few months ago. Right now, it's around 80,000. The key is to now get in, right? When the price is low, when things are at a discount. So I'm curious about your thoughts. Do you think SoftBank went out right on time on Nvidia, or they probably left a lot of money on the table? Let me know in the comments if you think that Nvidia's exit by SoftBank was timed perfectly, or if you think that they are leaving a ton of money on the table.